Dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video, Chapter 10 Computerized Accounting System Tally ERP, I have explained only practical application of accounting software Tally ERP. That is from page number 330 to 337 in our accountancy textbook. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Do not skip the video. Watch fully to understand the application of this accounting software Tally. First, let us see the introduction part. Tally ERP is a leading accounting software well defined by the accounting experts. And this Tally ERP.9 is used commonly in India and also abroad like Dubai, UK, etc. You may be asking, what is ERP? ERP, it is the acronym for Enterprise Resource Planning. This is the software which helps the management, whoever is following this software in their business. It will help them to manage and integrate various business activities like financial, manufacturing, reporting, commerce and human resource, etc. This Tally ERP.9 is freely available to download and work in educational mode. Those who want to learn and those who want to get certificate on this Tally ERP, they can freely download and they can learn. If you want to use it for your business, then you have to get the license for this software. It can be, if it is a small business organization, a single user license is enough. If the company is quite big or huge one, then you have to go for the multi-user license. So usually the license, if you want to get the license for this software, Tally licensed dealers you have to approach and get it downloaded. And what is the difference between this educational version and the licensed one? In education mode, we can freely we cannot use it. The date and all, for example, date and all 1, 2 and 31 only can be used. Other dates you cannot use. Okay, so it is just for knowledge purpose only, education mode. Now let us see from page number 330. I am explaining this different concepts. The practical application of accounting software is given in from page number 330. That only I am explaining. See, starting Tally, how I can start the Tally. First I will download and keep it in my system. One way is, two methods are there. One way is I can go to the start menu. By clicking that, I can choose the Tally icon and double click and I can open it. Or otherwise, if I would have kept on the desktop, then directly there I can click the Tally ERP and I can open it. If I click and open, this is the first page, it will appear on the screen, startup. You can see this licensing operation. This is meant for the people who use for business purpose and they would for license purpose. Okay, but we are going to use it for knowledge purpose, for learning only. So we have to go for the work in educational mode. So when I click here, then it will, I have to click here, then it will open. After clicking there, I will get two options, silver edition mode and then gold edition mode. I will show you. See, silver edition mode, that is for the single user. Gold edition mode is for the multi-user. That is for, I am going to use this single user, so I have to click that. So when I click, I will get the screen like this. You can see gateway of Tally and company information, or this is gateway of Tally is nothing but it is the menu option. Here you can clearly see select company, shut company. If I have already created the company, I have to go and select the company. If I want to close that, I have to go click the shut company. If I have not yet created, then I have to click the create company. If I need to alter anything on that, I can click this alter, change tally wall, split company data, whatever. This is the menu option. So whatever I want to do, I have to click. Now in the textbook, the first activity is given is creation of a company. So I am going to create a company, so I have to click here. So after I click there, I will get a screen like this when I click create company. So this one is this place is a name field. There I have to type the name. For example, I have taken XYZ Corporation Private Limited, and after I type the name, I have to give the enter, press the enter key, enter, and then I will get yes or no. So I have to select Y for yes, and then it will be saved. And the remaining and all, I am not going to fill up any address, nothing, because this is only for the knowledge purpose. So no need of filling up all the other details. So only I am just, it is creation of new company. So I am typing only the name. Next is gateway of tally. Already I told you it is the menu option. See, afterwards I have created the company. See here. So this thing will come, and now from this menu I should go either if I want to know about any accounts information, then I have to click this one, and if I want to enter any transaction, I have to go under this. If I need some useful information, I need utilities. If I wanted to use something, get some information from this, I can go to this. And then next is a report. If I need any report from balance sheet or anything, I can do that. So this is, you can choose this. And next is we have to tell, see here, this the vertical button. It is given in the right extreme right of the screen. So this when you type this, easily you can go, it is a shortcut. Okay, so quickly you can go to that page. So this also you can use. And another thing is vertical bar, like the vertical toolbar, like that. Horizontal information panel is also there. Here you can see the icon, and here you can see the version, which version is this, and then a license. But if you are in education mode, so there is no number and all, subscription and all, otherwise there will be information about that, and configuration, and even calculator. So now we are going to working on accounting features. So here you have statutory and taxation. So many things are there, but I have covered only few things in this video. The remaining I will do it on the next video. Now see, we are going to use the accounting features. So I have to click the accounting features. When I press the accounting features, I will get the screen like this. So accounting features now, I want to maintain accounts only. There are many things are there. So I am going to select only accounts only. The remaining and all I am going to leave it as a default, because for education purpose only. As soon as I do this, I will get this accept Y or no. I have to press yes or no. I have to press Y for yes, and then now I have to create a group, accounting groups. Already the predefined group is there in Tally software itself. And then if I wanted to add or create any group, subgroup, I can do it. see here in the company you can view the same in accounts information. How to view that? In accounts information you have to go, and when you press the accounts information you will get group, you will get the menu like group. From there you have to click the single group and the display will be there. I have shown in the next slide. See here, I'm going to work on the accounts information. So I'm going to click that. When I click that, it is under the master's main menu. So when I click, it will show like this: groups, ledgers, voucher types. This all will be under accounts information. So if I want to view the groups, I have to select. Okay, so I'm going to select single group. Okay, this is the display sub menu. See, primary groups has two, it is categorized into two. Primary groups, it is a defined one. It includes capital account, current liabilities, fixed assets. Okay, and then if I want to create any group in addition to that I can do it. How I can do? I have to go first gateway, that is menu option. I have to click under the master's account information. I have to click, and from there groups will be open. From their group I will go to the single group, and then I have to create. See here, in the group predefined groups are given. See, bank account, bank OCC, bank overdraft, and all these things already it is there. List of groups already there. If we want to open any subgroups, we can create. See how you will go. First, under the master's accounts information you have to click, and then you have to click and then when you click accounts information, in that menus are there. See here, there I have to click the groups, and from that I have to click the single group. Okay, like that I have to create the new group if I want. Then ledger accounts. So new ledger accounts can be created as explained below. Now see, already two predefined ledgers are there already there in the software. That is cash and profit and loss account is already there. If we need, we can create. Okay, so in that case, again gateway of Tally, that is then the menu option. Masters you have to go, and then from there accounts information, and from there you can see groups and ledgers. If I am going to use the ledger now, I have to press the ledger. So here I will get the if I have to create single ledger, multiple ledgers are there. If I have to create, I should press the key create. Okay, now for example, I will show one person account. I am creating one ledger. The name of the ledger is the name of the person is Ronnie. Ronnie account. So what I should do is I'll click. When I click here, see the name. Name I have clicked Ronnie, and he is my debtor. So I have to keep him under sundry debtors group. Okay, the remaining I leave it as default. Next, any modification of group and ledger. See, sometimes when we are when we wanted to do any modification, or if you wanted to delete, then predefined groups you cannot do anything on it. But which we have created, what we have created, in the predefined group you can alter the name. Suppose if I have given XYZ Company Corporation Limited, if I wanted to change it to Suresh Traders, that I can do in the predefined group. But user defined group which we have created, that can be altered fully, even the ledger, and even I can delete also. So how I can delete that? I have to select that and I have to press the Alt plus D, and then the screen will show yes or no. Then I have to type yes so that it will be deleted. Now we'll see the vouchers. Voucher you all have studied in accounts 11th standard. It is a document. It contains the transactions, details of the transactions. Okay, so the transactions will be entered with the vouchers. Okay, so Tally also has predefined vouchers. See, purchase voucher is there, sales, payment, receipt, and contra. Okay, so these all are predefined vouchers in the Tally software. So how I can go to that? First in the gateway of Tally, that is in the menu option under masters. First I have to press the masters, and then accounts information will be displayed. In that accounts information, voucher types I have to go. See, I have shown here. See, first we saw groups, isn't it? And then ledgers, and then voucher type. Okay. So in that voucher, predefined vouchers are there. See, contra, this is for cash and bank when it comes together, that I should use credit note, debit note, delivery, and many are there. As per the requirements of users, additional voucher can also be created. The following are some of the major accounting voucher which we require on day-to-day basis. See, receipt voucher, payment voucher, contra voucher, journal voucher, purchase voucher, sales voucher. Now we'll see one by one. Receipt voucher. See, whatever all the transaction that is related to receipt, either in the form of cash or through bank, whatever we receive, then we use the receipt voucher. Okay, the cash or bank account is debited and other account, ledger account is credited. See, how to record this receipt, I'll tell you. First you have to go to the gateway of Tally, that is menu option, and in that transaction you should go, and under the transaction accounting vouchers you should go. From there the vertical toolbar is there. From there you have to click the F6, then it will open the page receipt. See, first you have to go to the gateway of Tally, that is menu option. First, previously we were using this account information. Now we are going to enter the transaction, so we have to click the accounting vouchers. Afterwards, on the side here, I have not taken this, so on the side and the vertical toolbar you will have the key F6. When you press that, you will get receipt, so you can type the cash, and then from whom you have taken, from where you have received, all the details you can do, and narration also you can write below. Now next is payment voucher. All the transaction related to payment either through cash or bank will be recorded. Okay, so now cash and bank is credited, and then other ledger account is debited. To record this, first you have to go to the gateway of Tally. From that you select transactions and select accounting vouchers. Then the vertical bar you have to click the F5. Then it will open the payment page will be opened. See here. See, this is the vertical bar. I have pressed the F5. So this is when I press the F5, then payment will be open. So I have to write the name to whom we have paid, and then cash, and then narration. Next is contra voucher. Any transaction related to cash and bank together. We studied in cash book, isn't it? So when you deposit cash into bank and when you withdraw cash from bank, you have to use this voucher. So how to record? Go to gateway of Tally and then click the transactions and accounting vouchers, and then F4, that is for contra. Then the contra page, that page will be opened. You have to type the information. purchase voucher. Any purchases, that is either it's a cash purchase or credit purchase, you have to use this voucher. Transactions, accounting vouchers, you have to press F9. Okay, and now it will be purchase is open, and you have to write the party's name and what type of purchase, cash purchase. If it is cash purchase, you have to enter cash, everything. So sales voucher, here we record the sales, cash or credit sales. Gateway of tally, transaction, accounting voucher, F8 sales will be selected. So you can feed the information. Now journal voucher. Journal voucher, other than we have seen, isn't it, the predefined vouchers or all these things. So other than that, something else, that is depreciation, provision for bad debts, all those things you can write it in this. You can use this journal voucher. So how to open this? Gateway of tally, and again you are selecting transaction, accounting vouchers, and then on the vertical toolbar you have to select, you have to click F7, then journal will be open, that page. Then you have to write the type the transactions there. So now students, see, to record the transactions using voucher, accounting voucher creation has to be used. So accounting voucher creation contains name, number and date, but for education mode, the date we can use only 1st, 2nd or 31st. Only these dates only we can use for this education mode. Then particulars, debit and credit and narration you have to write. Students, I will put another video in continuation of this to explain the remaining part of the lesson, and one more video I will put. I will directly show from the software. Okay, that also I am preparing. So you keep watching. When you watch all these videos, then you will understand the whole concept of computerized accounting clearly. Thank you students for watching. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.